Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Kelly. I am a physical therapist. I specialize in lymphedema as well as oncology and cancer rehab. Today in this video, we're going to go through a full body cardio exercise routine that is 16 minutes long. It's going to be really great for someone who has lipedema or other lymphatic issues, or just anyone who needs a low impact option. All of these exercises are going to be done without any equipment, and there is no jumping involved, so it is a lot easier on the joints. This is a great routine for anyone to try as long as you get clearance from your doctor for safety. And before we begin, make sure that you subscribe down below for weekly new videos. You can also follow along with us on Instagram, and you can check out our website for more resources. But other than that, just get some space nearby and we'll get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by just marching in place nice and gentle. We're going to go through 16 different movements. All are going to be done for a full minute. If you need to rest or recover in between, please do so. At the start of each minute, I will talk about what the movement is and show it, demonstrate it, and then talk about how you can modify it. So you can have a little break there as well. We're going to be using this marching as kind of our recovery every 4 to 5 minutes as we go in between. So we're halfway through. Just want to make sure that we're just loosening all of our joints up and getting our heart rate up just a little bit. You can go with small steps, you can get your knees nice and high, and you can change your speed to whatever feels good for you. Good, we'll keep moving for 15 more seconds. And then we'll get a break from the legs in 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to reach up and over the body and back down, up and over, back down. You can also add the foot in, so you're reaching with a kick out to the side, alternating back and forth. Want to make sure that we're getting a nice big stretch down the side of the body, elongating the core and the abdominals, but also getting stretch on the shoulders. If it's too much on the shoulders, you can also just come down nice and low and punch across the chest. And you can also take out the step and just do the arms, okay? We're gonna move for another 20 seconds though. Try to find something that feels good. Keep moving. Last 10 seconds. 3 and 1. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to do stepping out to the side and back, okay? Seems pretty basic. If we want a little bit more, we'll stay nice and low, stepping back and forth. This is going to work the outside of our legs. Again, the lower you can stay, turn so you can see, sitting nice and back, making sure your knees aren't going forward, but you're rather sending your hips back and then back and forth. You're going to get a lot of muscle activation through your legs. And you can start to speed this up if we're looking to get your heart rate back up. Whatever you feel like you need, trying to get some movement in. We got 15 seconds left. Good, almost there. Last 5 seconds. And then relax. Next, what we're going to do is go into mini squats. And so we're going to stay stationary with our feet. Same thing like I just talked about. Thinking about there's a chair behind you and you're going to sit back into the chair and then stand back up. Okay? So you can start with really small motion and back up. You can also put a chair behind you and just going up and down from the chair. Make sure that your knees don't come together. Keep them nice and wide, down and up. Pick a pace that feels comfortable for you and pick a depth that feels comfortable for you. If you have any knee pain, don't go that far down. Here we have just over 20 seconds left. Up and down. If you need to pause, shake out your legs, do so. And then when you're ready, get right back in. We're under 10 seconds left, so try to make sure that you're moving through these last few seconds. And then your legs are going to get a break. Okay, next we're gonna do is we're gonna use our arms and our core. We're gonna do punches across the body, back and forth. Again, you can kick out and use your whole body to rotate, or you can just use your arms, but really try to reach across, back and forth. Really exaggerate that punch. Make sure you're getting those muscles to activate and your heart rate up. Back and forth. Again, you can speed this up, or you can keep it nice and slow, whatever feels good. Good, we have 20 seconds left. Keep it moving, scale it if you need to, but do keep moving. Almost there, 5 seconds. And relax. Okay, we're gonna take a notch back. We're gonna go back into marching. Trying to get our heart rate down from that. Get our arms relaxed, our core relaxed. But making sure that we're keeping our heart rate elevated in some way. If you wanna make it challenging, make sure you get those knees nice and high. So that was round 1. We have 2 more good rounds left of different movements. So now that you feel like you've warmed up, this will be a time to start to challenge yourself with speed or more motion, whatever feel like you have in you. Okay, we're in 15 seconds. We're gonna move on into our first movement of this next section. And 5, good, keep going. And then relax. Okay, we're going to do knees up nice and high, one at a time. We'll use our arms up and down. So really pulling your knee up, way up towards your chest, up towards the ceiling, and use your arms to kind of pull yourself down for that movement, back and forth. Alternating, and if you need to scale it, maybe you just do your knees up nice and high. Okay, if your legs need a break, maybe you just do some arm movements. Pick something that works for you, that challenges you through this movement. We have 20 seconds left. Keep going. I know the shoulders get tired. Good, last 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, arms get a break. We're going to use and kick our heel towards our bottom. So you're going back and forth. Turn so you can see. Trying to kick back. You're using the back of your thighs, your hamstrings, okay? You can kind of use your arms with it if you'd like. Kicking back and forth. Now, if you are prone to getting cramps in the back of your legs, maybe do a couple, then pause and relax, and then do a couple more, okay? You can also take this nice and slow, or you could speed it up, whatever feels good. We have about 20 seconds left. Kick back. Make sure you're not throwing into your low back, okay? Really just try to use your knee to bend, to kick your heel towards your bottom. Almost there, 5 more seconds. And relax. Okay, next one we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into that low sit. We're gonna do 2 steps. Reach, down, 2 steps, reach, okay? Side step, reach, side, side, reach. You can even go up on your tippy toes for extension there, back and forth. And you can speed that up. If you want to get your heart rate up and feeling good, back and forth. Try to stay as low as you feel comfortable as you're stepping. Really works and engages those leg muscles. We got 15 seconds left. Your legs are gonna get a break after this. Hang in there. 5 seconds. and then relax, okay? Legs are gonna get a break. We're gonna go into shoulder press. So arms by your side, pressing up and down, up and down. You can alternate this if you'd like, okay? If you have dumbbells and wanna use them, that's fine. But kind of thinking about squeezing your shoulder blades back together, you're gonna get more back activation, okay? And that's nice for those muscles, great for your posture. Your shoulders are gonna get tired. Shake them out, take a second, and then get right back in. You're over halfway there. And again, if you need to, alternate one at a time. And if you're having trouble going overhead because of shoulder issues, go back to punching in front of you. That'll take a lot of pressure off the shoulders. We're gonna finish for less than 15 seconds more, up and down, and then your arms get a break. 5 more seconds. Whew, okay, shoulders are tired. Let's go back into marching. Let's just get those arms to relax, our breath to come back down. Make sure that we're moving. This is a good time to get a little water if you need it, and then come right back in and joining us with marching. We are done with 2 of the sections. We have 1 section left. Got over halfway there. If you need to just scale back, just do small ones. If you feel really good, get your knees nice and high, arms pumping. Keep your pace up so your heart rate is up, getting the most out of this time. You showed up to put in the time. We want to make sure that we get enough out of it. We're gonna get less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what we're gonna do next, you're gonna take a nice big wide step and open up the arms nice and wide, okay? And then the other way and back and forth. Open up. The wider, the harder it is. The lower, the harder it is. Whatever feels good. Try to keep your arms up. Bring them low, it's a lot easier. Try to challenge yourself and keep them nice and high. It is harder than it looks. We're coming up on the halfway mark. If you need to scale, smaller motions, okay? Nice and small. Bigger to make it challenging. Bring yourself nice and down. Up and open, together, open, together. 15 seconds left. Your arms are gonna get tired with this one, but they'll come down a little bit and get a little recovery in the next one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, my arms are the most tired. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just do a kick. So we're going to bring our knee up, kick out. So it looks like that, kicking out in front of you. Go ahead and join me. You can use your arms just for some balance and momentum, but kicking out in front. If you need to, scale back, kick nice and low. From there, we'll get back in, nice and high. Alternating back and forth. You're over halfway there. Your legs are gonna get a rest after this, so try to keep them up nice and high. They're gonna get tired, and that'll feel good after. Put that work in. All right, we're coming up on the last 5 seconds. And relax and recover. Okay, arms are coming back in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stay nice and low, so going back into that small sit, and then we're gonna punch across the body out in front of us into a diagonal. We're still using that core to rotate. Okay, we wanna activate the tummy muscles, activate the abdominals. So really rotate and then punch out in front of you, nice and strong. The lower you can stay, the harder it is. Use those leg muscles. If you need a break, come up nice and high. When you feel good, get back down nice and low. Give yourself a challenge. You only got 3 more minutes. Less than that, you got 2.5 minutes left. Okay, back and forth. Keep moving. Really feel that core engage. Less than 15. Keep going. A little less on the knees. If you need to come up, go ahead, but just make sure that you're still moving, still punching. and then relax. Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to do full body. We're gonna do a half of a jumping jack. So we all know what a jumping jack is. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna jump, but we're gonna do one side at a time. So leg goes out, arm goes out, back and forth. So make sure you're joining me. Side step and up. And you can speed this up if you want that challenge, or keep it nice and light. Whatever feels good, but make sure you're challenged in some way. You're over halfway there. This is the last higher intensity one. The next one is recovery. So try to stay in there for these last 15 seconds. Don't stop early. You're almost there. Less than 10. In 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. So you've done 15 minutes of work. Heart rate's gotten up. Full body movements. Now we're just going to finish with some deep breaths. Okay. So we know how important the lymphatics are in the abdomen. We want to make sure we're stimulating those. So hand on the belly, gently pressing in. Take a nice big breath. Feel your belly expand into your hand. So pressing in, breath in, and out. Gently press in, breath in, and out. Breath in, and out. And then one more good breath in for yourself and all the hard work you did. Big breath in, and out. And that is it. That is a full routine, 15 minutes, well done. That is a lot of exercise. Heart rate was up the entire time. Legs, arm, core, we worked it all. So well done. If you're looking for more videos related to this type of one, or you're looking for different kinds, maybe chair exercises, cardio, strength, I have a lot of different videos that we've created that you can follow along with. And I'll put the playlist up above here that you can check out. Other than that, we'll see you all next week in another video. Thanks, everyone.